Welcome back for video 62 as we explore how the smart home has evolved into a major value driver this year. In 2026, buyers are no longer impressed by a few smart gadgets. They want a fully unified and intelligent ecosystem. The biggest trend we are seeing is the Matter standard, which allows all your devices to talk to each other regardless of the brand. Homes equipped with AI energy management systems are seeing the highest demand because they actively lower monthly operating costs. These systems don't just turn off lights. They predict energy patterns and optimize heating or cooling based on real-time weather data. Another high-value feature is predictive maintenance, where the home alerts you to a pipe leak or HVAC issue before it becomes a disaster. Properties with these integrated systems are selling faster and often command a 5 to 10% premium over conventional homes. At findmyhomenow.com, our search filters now allow you to specifically target homes with these future-ready tech stacks. If you are a seller, investing in a unified hub rather than scattered devices is the key to maximizing your appraisal. Check the link in my bio to see our list of the top smart features that will put the most money back in your pocket.